Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Photos. Now access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that thanks to this button with 3 lines. Now click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and tap on Floating Windows. Then click on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. You can always move it around by holding this line at the top and dragging it. If you want to, you can also use it to overlay the other app by accessing the other one and using both. In order to use your app in full screen view, just tap on the top left corner. If you rather close it instead, click on the top right one. Sorry, misclick. Over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!